After 3 bodies were fished out from confluence of Ziri and Barak River bordering Assam yesterday, Kasar police today handed over the bodies to Ziribam authority after completion of post-mortem at Silchar Medical College Hospital. On the other hand, bodies of 10 Kuki militants were also handed over to Kuki communities who have been swarming Silchar Hospital since the past 2 days, demanding the release of those 10 Kuki militants who they claimed to be their village volunteers martyrs. Kuki protesters from Churachandpur, Mizoram, Assam and Ziribam have garrowed the hospital premise, protesting against delay in releasing the bodies and also objecting DNA tests on the bodies. They also demanded Assam police to hand over the body to them and not to Ziribam authority. A brief scuffle was also reported near hospital premise between Kuki protesters and Assam police personnel, in which 4 police personnel and 4 journalists from Assam also suffered injuries. Meanwhile, the 3 bodies, which is believed to be that of those abducted Meitei civilians, are yet to be identified by family members.